What's this? Look.
Noah, it's coming out.
What's this?
Oh,
Huh? What's this?
my boy.
What is this?
It's Oma.
Uh-huh.
My sister is Ima.
Uh-huh.
Noah loves to play piano.
Good job. Again? Let's try it again. What's this?
Noah is coming home.
Okay, next.
I like
What's
my
this?
boy. It's Oma.
No, what's this? What is this?
My sister
What is this?
Ima.
I know, but what is this?
Ima. Oma loves you.
Uh-huh. What's this?
My brother is Oma.
What is this one?
My sister is Ima.
What about this? What's this?
Noah loves to play piano.
Excellent. Good job. Clap for yourself. Say, I did it. I did it. Clap for yourself.